Visa, what is gravity? What is gravity visa? Then what are the segmental center of the gravity? Segmental centers of gravity. Segmental centers of gravity. This is human body. Human body center of gravity. Human body center of gravity. So in segmental center of gravity, we have discussed the arm segment, forearm segment, and hand segment. So where the COG of human body will be, where the COG of human body will be. So for example, if we are going to say this is our head component, this is our head component, head segment, this is our neck segment, this is our neck segment, this is our trunk segment, this is our trunk segment. In this is thorax, this is abdomen, this is thorax and this is abdomen. This is our lower limb segment, this is our lower limb segments, and here we will be having upper limb segment. Here we will be having upper limb segment, and here also we will be having this one upper limb segment. Okay. So if the human body, if the human being is in anatomical position, we are going to treat it. We are going to treat the anatomical position. See the COG in anatomical position. If he is in this anatomical position, head segment, neck segment, trunk segment, upper limb segment, lower limb segment, all the segments together, all COGs, the COG will be over anterior to the COG will be over anterior to the second sacral vertebra, anterior to the second sacral vertebra, anterior to the second sacral vertebra. That is the COG place of the human body. That is the COG place of the human body. If you are going to treat it like a human body, treat it like a rigid body, then COG will be over anterior to the S2 vertebra. This is COG. Now, for suppose this is anatomical position. This is anatomical position. Suppose if the patient is having this much belly, otherwise if the patient is having more lumbar curvature, otherwise if the patient is having kyphosis, in that times the position, the structure of the body position will change. According to that, gravity will also change. Center of gravity, placement, position, it will change. Okay. Now we will see. Suppose if we are going to divide the human body into two rigid parts. If we are going to divide the human body into two rigid parts, so the upper segment, center of gravity will be somewhere here. And lower limbs ka center of gravity will be here. Here we have to discuss one point. LOG, line of gravity. This will be discussed. Suppose if this is floor, one object is there. It is not in the floor. Okay, it is not in the floor. Okay, so it will be in the floor only. Suppose this is our axillary crutch. Gravity will be somewhere here. Out of the structure. So this is the center of gravity. What is line of gravity means? From the center of gravity, for our study purposes, to understand, to make the things these things easy to understand, we have to draw an imaginary line. To the center of the gravity. The imaginary line which we are drawing from center of gravity is line of gravity. From center of gravity, what we are drawing imaginary, that is line of gravity. This line of gravity also vector quantity, vector, because here we will be having point of application, action line and direction. Magnitude means magnitude of the earth, we discussed now, 32 feet per second square. So this is the magnitude of the earth force. So this is line of gravity. Okay. Now we will come to this point. So here somewhere center of gravity will be there. Here somewhere center of gravity will be there. With these two points we can draw line of gravity. Okay, this is the line of gravity. It will fall between two steps. What if the person bend forward? This is like this position, but throughout day we won't be in this position. We have to change. We will change. So if the person bend forward like this, see here, here is center, lower limb center of gravity will be here, lower limb center of gravity. Here upper body center of gravity will be there. If he bends forward, center of gravity will come forward. Center of gravity will come forward. Center of gravity will come forward. So from here we can draw the line of gravity. From here we can draw the line of gravity. Here one nice point is there, stability. We'll see it later. If the person bends forward, then line of gravity will come forward. Clear?